Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of Prezi Means Business, where we talk about the world of business presentations. Today I'm going to talk through what we see as the future of presentations and talk about something called conversational presenting. So let's start. During the past 10 years there's been this enormous change in the world of marketing with inbound marketing and content marketing. And another equally massive change in the world of sales was something called the challenger sale. And these two changes are actually connected in the sense that we no longer want to be sold to in the same way as before. 15 years ago, if you were a salesperson, it made sense that you'd give a potential customer the traditional top-down presentation, as you were the holder of the information. It would have been difficult for them to have done much research before you actually presented to them. So it was your job to present lots of information in a persuasive manner. Today, the potential client is the holder of the information. And by the time that you're lucky enough to be sat in front of him or her, they're going to know a lot about you and your company from looking at your website and social media channels. What they'll probably have is a few gaps in the information which they need you to fill. So what they won't want is for you to enter that room and open that laptop straight away, which, let's face it, is like a third person entering the room where everybody looks at the laptop, and then to give that standard 20-minute top-down presentation, where you take them through your company, what you do, why you're so good. Just doesn't cut it anymore. Plus, there's almost not a single person on the planet that wouldn't give an inward shudder when they see yet another PowerPoint presentation with bullets and lots of text. Then you've got a recipe for disaster and lost revenue. It makes much more sense to use something called conversational presenting, to go into that meeting and say, "Thanks for giving me 20 minutes of your time. How can we best use it?" And then start having an actual conversation and present only when and what's relevant. So if they ask you about how can I present remotely, for example, I simply zoom into the relevant content, present for a few minutes, and then zoom back out to the overview and go back to the conversation. This way, I still get to present, but it feels more relaxed and more informal. It's a subtle shift from the presentation controlling the conversation to the conversation controlling the presentation. So that's all for today. If you like this introduction to conversational presenting and want us to let you know when the next video is published, then type in your email address below and we'll let you know. Likewise, you'll also find a button there called Submit a Content Idea. If you want us to cover a particular topic on presentations or visual communications in the future, then you can also let us know. Bye for now.